Ever wondered how to send an email using PowerShell script and SMTP? Well, ponder no more. Today we delve into the intriguing world of PowerShell scripting and SMTP, an incredible combination that makes sending emails a breeze. First things first, PowerShell is a task automation and configuration management framework from Microsoft. It consists of a command line shell and scripting language built on the .NET framework. SMTP, on the other hand, stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. It's a communication protocol for electronic mail transmission. Now, when you mix these two, you get a potent tool for sending emails directly from PowerShell. The first step in this process involves creating the SMTP server. This acts as the post office that will deliver your mail. In PowerShell, you can create this server using the new object function. This function creates an object that represents the SMTP server, and it's here where you'll input your SMTP server's address. Next, you'll need to define your email's recipients, subject, and body. PowerShell allows you to do this using the mail message function. This function takes in parameters like to, from, subject, and body, which represent the recipient's email address, the sender's email address, the email's subject, and the email's body, respectively. Once you've defined your email's content, it's time to send it. PowerShell accomplishes this using the send function. This function takes in two parameters, the from and to addresses, and it sends the email from the sender to the recipient. Just like that, you've sent an email using PowerShell script and SMTP. It's an efficient, straightforward process that makes sending emails from PowerShell easy and convenient. In summary, sending an email using PowerShell script and SMTP involves three main steps. First, you create the SMTP server using the new object function. Next, you define your email's content using the mail message function. Finally, you send the email using the send function. This process is not just about sending emails. It's about understanding the power of automation and how it can make our lives easier. By mastering this simple process, you open up a world of possibilities in task automation and configuration management. So the next time you need to send an email, why not give PowerShell script and SMTP a try? You might just find it's the efficient